Trump's pre-election deal push, a gamble between politics and economics as the U.S. midterm elections approach. Former President Donald Trump's administration is aggressively targeting new deals across multiple sectors including pharmaceuticals, artificial intelligence, energy, and mining. The strategy is clear: boost domestic production, reduce dependence on China, and showcase tangible results to voters. Yet, behind the promises of self-reliance and job creation lies a deeper debate about the politicization of business and the long-term stability of such policies. Political strategy ahead of midterms for Trump. These initiatives are more than economic measures, they are campaign tools. By pushing pharmaceutical giants like Eli Lilly and Pfizer to expand insulin and cancer drug production in the United States, and by encouraging AstraZeneca to consider relocating its U.S. headquarters, the administration is sending a strong message: America first, both in medicine and manufacturing. These announcements are strategically timed to resonate with voters in key states where employment and industrial revival remain pressing issues. Economic shifts and government intervention. Sadly, the U.S. has relied on free market mechanisms to guide private enterprise. However, Trump's plan marks a sharp departure. The government is now offering companies tariff relief, direct financial incentives, and even equity stakes in exchange for investment commitments. This whole-of-government approach blurs the line between public policy and corporate decision-making. On one hand, this could strengthen supply chains, foster industrial independence, and shield the economy from global shocks. On the other hand, it introduces uncertainty for investors, who worry that politically motivated deals may prove unsustainable if future administrations reverse course. Global implications. The initiative also carries international consequences. By directly targeting sectors where China holds dominance such as pharmaceuticals and rare earth mining, the U.S. risks escalating trade tensions. Allied nations, particularly in Europe and Asia, may also feel pressure to follow suit or risk losing access to American markets. A high-stakes gamble. Trump's deal-making drive can be seen as both a bold economic vision and a political gamble. If successful, it could redefine America's industrial landscape and cement his appeal among voters as a defender of jobs and national security. But if the strategy falters, or if companies and investors balk at the politicization of industry, it could leave behind instability and fractured trust in U.S. economic policy. In the end, the question remains: are these deals a sustainable blueprint for America's future, or are they primarily a short-term maneuver designed to sway voters ahead of the midterms?